Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class that is in English for grade 5. We are learning unit number 12 and its title is Over the Counter Medicine. Yes, my dear fellow teacher, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. So let's see that what we are going to learn today. Our today's lecture number 9, under the title of Oral Communication Skills, we will learn how we can take turns to speak on a topic of your own choice, that how we have to discuss different things with each other while taking turns. Before in English for grade 5, unit 5, festivals in Pakistan, my dear students, in oral communication skills, already we have learned that how we can express different opinion. I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again, and today we are going to learn further, demonstrate conventions and dynamics of oral interactions in group to take turns to speak on a range of topics of their own choices. So today we will talk about these SLO. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse number 256. So whoever disbelievers in Taghut, the rebel, the Satan, and believers in Allah has grasped the most trustworthy handhold with no break in it, and Allah is all hearing and all knowing. Subhanallah, my dear students, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is giving us message that Allah Almighty that knows everything. Okay, all hearing, all knowing mean He knows everything. He listens everything, even whenever, wherever we are talking, we are saying something, Allah Almighty is listening us. So whenever we are listening, when we are doing some things, any activities, we should be careful that Allah Almighty is already and always watching us. Have you got that? So let's see that how we can discuss different things with each other. Yes, see there, my dear teachers and my dear students, that is turn taking. Okay, turn taking meaning how we have to wait for our turns. Suppose I am speaking, so first you have to listen carefully that what I am speaking, and if you want to speak something, so then you will wait for your turn, then you will talk. Okay, see there are different, like even in your classmates you are, even elder are there, and even you are in playground, so how you have to discuss with each other. So see there, another picture is there for you. Sometimes it is not my turn, okay, to go first. Okay, this is also different turns are there. So you can see there, and sometimes it is not. See there, now he has ball in his hand, and then now it's his turn. Now he has a football in his hand. It means this is called turn taking. Okay, next is, yes, I can share and take turns. See there, social story or affirmation is there. So how we can take turns while discussing something. So how we can take turns. So this thing is called turn taking. Okay, even in your class when you are speaking, my dear students, when you want to ask something from your teacher, if you want to discuss with your classmates, so you have to wait for your turn. Suppose you want to say something, so first listen others carefully and then speak. Okay, this is the way, and this is the actual way while speaking, while getting conversation with each other. Have you got that? So let's perform an activity that the strategies needed to adhere to the rules of turn taking include recognizing when to take a turn, signaling that you want to speak, holding the floor during your turn, recognizing when other wants to speak. My dear students, holding the floor means you have to hold on. Okay, you have to like keep patience that when you have to speak, then when you have your turn. Okay, holding the floor means you should hold on. You should, what you have to do, you have to be silent and keep patience and listen others. Okay, next what you have to do, on your book page number 107 there is an activity, oral communication skill, that you are going to do. So it's an activity time, and now you are going to do, you have to get students in different pairs and that activity perform in conversation while taking turn. Means one is speaking, other will listen and other will speak. So first one will listen carefully. Pause the video and perform this activity in your class. Welcome back. Good job, my dear students. So what's your homework? At home, sit in a group with your siblings, cousins, friends. Take turns to talk about topic of your choice. Record this activity to share with your teacher. So my dear teacher, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given. You should get and see that how students can choose their answer while taking turns. So what we have learned today? We learned to participate in group oral interaction by taking turns, and in this way we have covered up our this SLO. So my dear students, I hope today's lecture you have enjoyed. Tomorrow with a new lecture we will meet soon inshallah. Till that time, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.